This painting stand is amazing. It gives you such stability. You can't push your mini around, you're not jittery. Essentially, it's just a camera ball head with a mini mounted to it. And when you need to change the angle, just loosen it, turn it, pull it tight, and you can paint. It gives you so much stability. I managed to paint the eyes, no problem. And I even would get it in front of camera, really far zoomed in, because I don't need to move with the model. And if I like the angle like this, I can loosen the knob here, turn it in this way, tighten it again, and now I got a different angle. How do you get this for your miniature? I recommend this small rig ball head because it's just awesome. You need to have a plate you put in there. You can take the one that comes with it or build your own wood plate that goes in there. I built one that's a quick release system. I can pull it off the tripod head and put it on my normal painting handle. Now, what do you mount this ball head to? I first used the small rig tripod that comes with a ball head. It's really practical, but it's not high enough. So I got this tripod extension pole and mounted it to the table. And mounting it to the table was harder than I thought it would be. First drilling a hole through the table and then screwing in the screw to mount it there was a near nightmare. See you next time.